How to log out from all devices on WhatsApp. Hey everybody, welcome back to our channel. In this video, I'm going to show you the procedure on how can you log out from all devices on WhatsApp. So basically, what you want to do is make sure you're connected to a stable internet and make sure to update your app as well. For that, you want to head over to your respective app store and make sure that the app is updated to the latest version. After updating the app, click on the open button and log into your account. As you're logged into your WhatsApp, you then need to go ahead and tap the three dot at the top right. You then want to go ahead and select settings. Actually, you want to go ahead and tap on the three dot and go to linked devices. Here, you'll be able to find the linked device that you have. You simply want to press open the linked device like this and click on log out. And that is the simplest way you can log out from all devices on WhatsApp. I hope the video was helpful. Make sure to like, share, and subscribe. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video.